If you're having issues with your REDnote application, for example, if you're not receiving codes or the app is not working, you can try following the simple steps. High traffic may delay codes, so wait a while and try again. Also ensure that your phone number is correct, including the country code, and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to reset the network settings. You can also go ahead and clear the cache of the application. For that, you can tap and hold on to this application and then tap on the eye icon in the top. Scroll down and go to Storage and then click on Clear Cache. And if you tap on Clear Data, it will delete all the settings, accounts, and databases, so you have to be very careful regarding that. Come back and try force stopping this application and also ensure that you have given permission to this app. So enable the permissions, make sure that the SMS and the notification permissions are turned on. And you can also try commenting on a post which may prompt an immediate code. If all else fails, reach out to the REDnote customer service, or you can try uninstalling the application from your device and reinstall it with its latest version using the Play Store or App Store. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.